Hello friends, my name is Tofik and you're watching my channel Graphics Den. So in this video I am going to show you how we can create a halftone effect in Photoshop. So let's get started. Now there are a few ways to create this halftone effect. I am showing one of the way which is I think which is the easiest way to create it. So first I will select the image and I will straight away go to image adjustments and desaturate. You can also use the black and white effect, but for now I'm using desaturate. Now after that, convert this layer into a smart object. So smart object. Now go to image adjustments and levels, or you can either choose levels or brightness contrast. We need to increase contrast and slightly make the image slightly brighter. So I will choose between 10 to 15, and contrast you have to increase significantly, because more the contrast the better the effect. So I will keep it to like 70. So this is before and this is after. So make sure that the contrast is on the higher side. So this is how it looks. And remember, we have created a smart object, so if we are not happy with the result of any effect like contrast, we can simply go double click and change the value anytime that we want. That's why we have created a smart object. So after that, go to filter, pixelate and choose color halftone. Now depending upon the size of the image, we can choose the radius. If the image is higher quality or which has higher dimensions, then we have to keep the radius on the higher side. For now, let's say I'll choose 5 and the screen angles 45. So if we keep the angles to 45, it looks good. You can always choose different angles and see it for yourself, but for now I'm keeping it to 45. Then press OK. After that, now this is only the first effect. As you can see, this is already looking like a halftone effect, but if you want to add some more effect, we can simply create a new layer. Or before that, I will show you. I will go to color halftone and let's see if we increase the value to 8. So this is how it looks. So I think the value 5 was better. So I will undo this, Ctrl Z. So this is looking better. So this is how we can simply create a halftone effect in Photoshop. Now if you want to add color, you can simply create a layer and let's say I want to apply gradient. So you can choose any gradient that you want and simply draw it. And again we need to change the blend mode. So I will choose hard mix or maybe some other mode, maybe multiply. So this is looking better, but this is looking slightly darker, so we can always decrease the opacity. So this is how it looks. So this is with gradient, without gradient, with gradient. You can always choose different color combinations in gradient, but to me this black and white effect looks much better. So this is how we can create halftone effect in Photoshop, that too very easily. So do try this out, and that's it for this video. If you find this video useful, please give this video a like and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye and cheers.